good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time of day you're watching this, welcome back to the channel. Today, Steve and I are taking a trip to the Pumapungo Museum to see what it's all about. Stay tuned.
Fortunately, there's a bunch of bus routes that come straight to this museum. this museum is bigger than it seems from the outside, and the grounds on the outside are pretty huge. So we're going to take a walk down this trail. It's not too hot today. The sun is kind of in and out, which is perfect around here, honestly.
Yes.
And let's see what's at the bottom here.
And the grounds are beautiful.
It is
Like
beautiful.
it's very well manicured.
Yep. All right, this is the path down. So, gotta wind around like a snake. Okay, so in the distance, you got the llamas out. See how close we can get. All right, we started up there. Made it to the bottom. We've seen these llamas a few times riding by on the bus. I don't remember seeing them before, so I think they're more of a recent addition, or we just never saw them. Maintain our distance from the bees. It has been a very eventful day. After we left the museum, we had a bunch of errands to run. So we have been back and forth across town. Right now it's like 4:45, so finally headed back to the house. But we are going to try to get to some more of the museums. There's a bunch of them here in Cuenca, and whatever other sites we can see. So once again, Thanks for watching. Sorry for the shaky cam. Thanks for watching. We'll be back soon.